Welcome to my channel Learn English with Sushila. My second video is difference between speaking in Hindi and English. I made this video to clear the confusion from your mind whether English is more important or Hindi is also equally important. Hindi is our national language and English is a global language. So both the languages must be learned. So I'll be telling you the benefits of speaking in both the language. First, speaking in Hindi, how it's beneficial. First, it's one of the most widely spoken languages. You know, Indians live in every country and there also they'll use their language. That's why it's one of the most widely spoken languages. Its fourth most spoken language, if we consider its rank, it's at fourth rank. That fourth most spoken language. It's our national language that already you know. Spoken by most people of India. In India, especially in North India, most of the people speak in Hindi only. And the last benefit is that it's very easy to learn to speak as compared to other languages. Now these are the benefits of speaking in Hindi. Now I'm telling benefits of speaking in English. It gets you more respect, all of you know that. It makes travel easier wherever you want to go. With the help of this language, you can feel comfortable. It gives you power and influence at your workplaces. It helps to spread our culture. All of you know India has a rich culture and heritage, but we can spread it in other countries with the help of English only. It gets direct and accurate access to information because most of the information is available in English only. It enhances our communication with other English speaking people. And it's one of the most acceptable languages in many countries. In most of the countries, they may be having their separate language, but it's generally accepted everywhere. So you have seen that English has also got so many benefits. Now I tell you the difference between the two languages, in speaking two languages. First of all, we'll look at the sentence structure. In English, the sentence structure is SVO, means first subject, then verb, then object. But in Hindi, we use SOV, first subject, then object, and then only verb. Next difference is that if we have to make negative sentence, we have to use helping verb in English. That is do or does. Without it, we can't use the verb, main verb. Same way, in interrogative sentences, we have to use helping verb in the beginning of the sentence, means before subject. Whereas in Hindi, no helping verb is used. Then in English, if we are making a question, then we have to use question word in the beginning. But in Hindi, it comes in the middle. Next difference is that ways of wishing or greeting. In English, we wish or greet anyone according to time, like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. But in Hindi, we use the same word Namaste, Namaskar, or Pranam. Same way when we are departing. In English, we say differently according to time, like have a good day, or good night, or goodbye. But in Hindi, we use the same words. One word only at any time. In Hindi, we use G with names or relations. If we want to talk to anyone, we will be using after his name. And same way for relations like Pitaji, Mataji, we use G because this is our way of showing respect. Same way in Hindi we use plural verb with singular subject like ve aaye hain. We know he is only one person, still we use plural verb. Not only plural verb, we use plural pronoun also. But in English, we use singular verb with singular subject. For second person, in English, we have only one word, you. Whether he is elder or younger, we use only you. But In Hindi, we use aap for our elders and tum for our youngers. Then one word can show many relations in English, like uncle. You use uncle for any relation. It may be chacha, mama, poopa. For all we use uncle. But in Hindi we have different words. That's the quality of our Hindi. And same way auntie. Auntie also covers chachi, tai, bua, mausi. All are covered in one word, auntie. Same way in Hindi, if we use the word cousin, we are using chachera bhai, mamera bhai, musera bhai, like that. But in English we use only cousin. Same way, when we have unfulfilled wish, we want to tell that, would that I were a king, would that I were the president of India. But in Hindi, we don't say any such thing. We simply say, Kash मैं भारत का प्रधानमंत्री होता. This is the difference. When we make imperative sentence, we don't use subject. We simply start with the verb, like obey your parents, love your youngers, love the animals. But in Hindi, we never make any sentence without subject. We simply say, तुम्हें अपने माता पिता का कहना मानना चाहिए, like that. Same way, one word is there, love. There may be love between brothers and sisters, parents' love for their children, any type of love. Only love will cover. But in Hindi we have different words like prem, pyar, vatsalya, and all that. Then in English, while speaking, we use question tag. Technique of question tags is used. Suppose we made some statement and we want to confirmation of our listener. So we use question tag. And here we have to remember three things. If our sentence is in the positive sense, we use negative question tag. Same way, if the sentence is negative, we use positive question tag. Like, do you understand? Don't you? Like that. Same way, if we have to give some suggestion, we always say, let's go for a picnic. But we add question tag to get the confirmation and we say, shall we? Then for requesting, in English two words are there, please and kindly. Please is used with youngers and kindly used with respect for elders. But in Hindi we use kripya, only one word. So this way you have seen that there is no basic difference. The difference is only of the language. That's why I will suggest you that you must learn both the languages. If you want to succeed in your life, you should learn both the languages. You can't say that you don't know English or you don't know Hindi. Both the languages must be known to you. And it's said, the more languages you learn, the better person or better learner you become. Thank you.